This is a case study about the Akamai technologies. My presentation will be divided into three parts. First part is the main content. The second part is the answering the question of the case study, and the last part is a lesson learned from the case study. So let's come to the first part, the main content. The main content case summary is divided into three sub-parts. First part is how fast internet is growing. Second is the Akamai technology theory. Third, Akamai software. How fast internet is growing. Did you know that internet traffic will be around 1.4 zettabyte in 2017? That would be a huge amount of information, you know. So it will lead to the result that the demand will exceed the capacity. So internet video is now become a majority of internet traffic. Slow loading web pages and web content. Therefore, the Akamai company invented a technology that could help solve this problem. The theory is based on the storing copies of web content, such as the pictures or the video clips, at many different locations around the internet, so that one could always retrieve the nearby copy, making web pages load faster. Akamai software. Akamai software on these servers allow the platform to identify and block security threats and provide comprehensive knowledge of network conditions, as well as instant device level detection and optimization. Our web solution for the site performance, mobile performance, and data collection in online marketing. There comes the Akamai Real Performance. Allow customers to move their web content closer to end user, so user in New York City will be served. Bin pages for the New York metro area Akamai servers, while user of the LL Bean site in San Francisco will be served pages from Akamai servers in San Francisco. Having wide range of large corporate and government clients, 1 out of 3 global Fortune 500 companies, and top 30 media companies. Here comes the other business of the Akamai company. First of all, it is a targeted advertising based on user location and zip code. Second, the content security. Third, business intelligence, disaster recovery, and the last one is on-demand bandwidth and computing capacity during spy in internet traffic. Let's come to the second part, which is the answer case study question. First question. When a user requests a song or video file, his or her request is redirected to an Akamai server nearby and the content server. In this local server, Akamai servers are placed on Taiwan backbone supplier networks, large ESPs, universities, and other networks. Akamai software determines which server is optimal for the user, and then transmit to the Akamai content locally. Second question. It will depend on whether my target customer areas are covered by the network of Akamai, and because it would be a high cost to sign up for Akamai service, so I can choose to use a host with adequate capacity, and it can help solve the problem of too much connection. Third question. Akamai provides intelligence generated by the internet, most accurate and comprehensive knowledge based on the internet network activity. Akamai's massive server deployment and relationships with networks throughout the world enable optimal collection and geography and bandwidth sensing information. As a result, Akamai provides a highly accurate knowledge faced with worldwide coverage. The fourth question contains three parts, which is the security, PC down, and the network speed. There is a chance that another PC on the network will access files that the owner of the PC might not want accessed. Not that this would necessarily happen, or that you would have something to hide from other users, but this is something to think about. However, Windows provides the capacity to block access to certain drives, so this wouldn't be a worry for anyone who probably configures the network software. Client-server network can ensure that only authorized user can get access to the network's files and hardware. Visit on the network can cause the network to go down. In some instances, the PC might not be working either because of problems or because it has simply been shut off. In a basic peer-to-peer network that uses direct connection from PC to PC without a hub, this may cause a problem. Third part, network speed. In a peer-to-peer network situation in which a hub or switch is not used, such as a full-line network, it becomes a real possibility that the network can get bogged down when more than one user is using it at the same time. When traffic is low, the connection speed will slow down too. Last question. Internet users should be charged based on the amount of bandwidth they consume, because in that way consumers would be more proactively in using the internet. They can choose to reduce their usage in order to save money. Payment by tiered plan could lead to a problem that users sometimes do not use all the capacity they are paid for. Let's come to the last part. Throughout the case study, I have learned some lessons. First lesson is that if we can solve the problem of the slow web surfing, we can see a lot of opportunities. And one company that sees that opportunities is Akamai. Akamai has a new innovative technology that can solve this problem thoroughly. And the final lesson is Internet is developing much faster than we imagined. Thank you for listening.